When the user clicks on the Show Rules button, the rules for the game should display on the screen. When they click on the button again, the rules should be hidden. In the in the next few steps, you will build out the toggle functionality to show and hide the rules. Start by using add event listener method on the rules btn. So if you go up, the rules btn is actually a variable which is assigned to the document get element by id. So this is an element. So let's access that element to manipulate it in here in JavaScript and interpolate the method add event listener. And there should be an event here, and that event should be click. And I reckon there would be, oh, first argument should be click, and for the second argument, pass in an empty arrow function. You can do that like this. So this is a button, and if this button has been pressed with a click, then it should execute in this part of the code, which is for now empty. That would be it. Nice.